now continue with updating the project progress using activity steps. So we know that activity steps are simply a checklist of things that need to be done to complete a particular activity's work. So we'll see how we can update the progress using activity steps. So we can think of steps as a tool to support the status update process of our schedule. Steps gives us the robust and discrete way to track the percentage of completed work on a longer duration activity for which it would be very tough to report progress accurately. So once we have steps in place, we can use them to drive the physical % complete progress value for the activity. So we know that when we are updating the progress, the first step is we have to enter the status, then we have to change the new data date, and we have to recalculate the project schedule. So in order to drive progress using activity steps, two conditions must be fulfilled. First, the project calculation tab must have the activity % complete based on activity steps, as in the figure you can see. Second is the % complete type for the activity must be set to physical. Steps will not drive progress on units or duration % complete type. Remember this thing. So now we'll see how we can update the progress using activity steps on Primavera software. So open Primavera software. Now we'll move to the project tab. So select the open project on which you are working. Click the calculation tab from bottom layout and check this box activity % complete based on activity steps. And now we'll fulfill the second condition, that is from activity window. So go to activity window and select the activity for which you have specified the steps. Like I have chosen substantial completion task, for which I have specified few steps for its completion. So now I am going to general tab and I am making the % complete type as physical, and I'll move to steps window again. So let's open some additional steps column in the steps tab. To do this, right click on one of the column head, choose customize steps column, and we can select all these columns and close. So this gives us the complete range of column to work with. Now I am going to status and I am going to mark this task as started, and I can change the start date, whatever is the actual start date for this task. And I am going to steps tab and I am marking fire marshal's inspection complete and also MEP final inspection complete. So I can see from status tab my task has been updated as 44.44%. We also have an option in case we feel that MEP inspection is not 100% over. So we can simply unmark the completion and we can specify % completion for this step. So I can see now the progress has been updated as 31.48%. However, to avoid complexity, it is always recommended to wait until the task step is 100% complete, and then we can simply mark it as completed so that we can check the status. After updating the step, I am going to calculate my schedule. So I am going to press F9 or schedule button. I am going to select my new data date. I am changing the date. I am selecting the data date as 27th of January. And I am going to schedule. So my progress has been updated on this task. So I hope it is now clear to you how easily we can use these steps to mark our progress.